All right, guys, what's up? It's here, the 2021 KTM 690 Supermoto. You guys know this is the bike I've been wanting. I want the Enduro version, but same bike, and this one has the gray on it for this year, which you guys know I'm into. Let's pop the top, see what this thing looks like, get it out the crate, maybe into whatever little sunlight we have, and take a look. Flip it up. Flip it up? Oh yeah, flip her up, flip her up. Oh, yay! We should get a Facebook Live thing going. Facebook Live? Oh, that is sick. All right, guys, here it is, the 2021 KTM 690 SMC R. Now, the KTM 690 was revamped in 19, so we don't see any changes to this yet besides bold new graphics, but man, do they look good. You guys know, you will know I've had my eye on the 690 for a while now. I think it's the best all-around dual sport, and I really want one. I think it could replace 3 bikes in my garage and make some room, but man, they do have a price tag of $11,900, so they aren't cheap by any means, but I think they're really like one of the truly only do-it-all bikes. I want the Enduro version, obviously not the Supermoto, but this thing does look sick, and it's a little different in styling than the Enduro, which you'll see in the next unboxing. But the Enduro is orange right here and right here, and kind of stays to orange on the back. It still has the gray, but where this one's black, it's orange, and it's got a big R back here. It looks really cool. But this one is styled more for the street, I think would make sense. The Supermoto guys tend to like the blacked out look a lot better, so it definitely does look good. But that Enduro version with the all orange, I cannot wait to show you guys that. That bike is not here yet, but as soon as it's here, we will do an unboxing on that one as well. Just a sweet machine, guys. You know, this is the bike that, you know, the Enduro version at least can still be a dirt bike but it's got huge maintenance intervals. The tank's in the back, so of course it feels slim up front still. Just really innovative, really cool. I was just on Facebook this morning, and some guy was complaining about the DR 650 and how it's been the same for all the years, and Suzuki needs to come out with this and come out with that, but they won't. Well, guys, if you're a DR 650 guy or a KLR 650 guy, you know, those bikes are awesome, durable, cheap, but if technology is what you want, then this is what you want, because these are like those bikes on steroids. They're like everything you ever wanted in one of those, all packed into this. Nice, neat, new, and fast. Oh, really enjoy these things. And they brought in the gray to make them match the you know, the XCW dirt bike line a little better. Totally dig it. So yeah, I think there were a couple changes in Europe for this year. Maybe something with the dash, maybe ride modes or something. So we'll probably see some changes next year in the US for this bike, if I had to guess. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll show you the Enduro as soon as it gets here, and see you in the next one.